Welcome to Rani's Craft, and today I'm going to show you how can you make a bunny toy. So first I have to take 6 ice cream sticks, and you have to take 2 opposite colors like green and dark green. Okay, so you have to color. I am taking dark green and green. You can take any other opposite colors also, like yellow, not yellow, means like red and pink, or red and orange and dark orange, like that. So 3 you have to color with one color and the other 3 with another color, like 3 I have colored with dark green, 3 sticks, and another 3 sticks with light green. And then you have to take a piece of paper and stick them first like one color, then another color, then again one color, another color. Like first I have placed dark green, then light green, like this way. Okay, again dark green, light green. Okay, so don't forget to like this video. And for sticking, guys, we will using glue, so homemade will link in description. And for coloring I have used acrylic colors. You can use watercolor, but I think poster color also. I think acrylic colors will be it will be a bit of good. Okay, so that's the thing. And don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and your family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done till now, and also press the bell icon and comment your challenges or suggestions or anything about this video. If you have any questions, you can't understand anything. Okay, and after 1,000 subscribers by October 31st 2020, I will be doing a Facebook video. But guys, now it is October 10, but I haven't got 900 also. Then how will I get 1,000 by 31st October? If I don't get, you will be very late for the special video. Okay, and after 1 lakh subscribers, I will be doing Q&A part with face reveal. So guys, take your scissors and homemade scissors, link in description, and you have to cut the paper in the shape, because mine is a bit of big sheet. Okay, if you are using size, it's okay, it's not a problem. And also after 1 million subscribers, I will be doing how I edit my videos. And guys, I have created some playlists. If you haven't seen them, no problem, you can check them out now. So guys, now I took a strip, okay, paper strip. You can take also, you can take an ice cream stick also, and that I have colored with dark green. And whichever color you are using, from the whichever 2 colors you are using, from that you can take any one color, stick it. After that, in the below you have to draw eyes with the help of black marker or black sketch pen, and then the mouth of the bunny, and the 3 lines you have to draw. Okay, irregular lines, I don't know irregular what they say, like I have shown you, yes, like this way only. And with the help of another 2 sheets, I have to draw the ears and the like a cap type something. Okay, like I have done. So thanks for watching. It's ready. Thanks for help and support. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. If you haven't seen these videos, why? I think you haven't checked out my channel, but no problem, you can check them now. These 2 videos, go check now. Bye.